Today we're going to show you how to draw and paint your own sparkly princess dress. Yes, first of all we're starting to do the outline using a black marker pen. We're going to use straps here, but you can have sleeves if you want. We're going to do some frills and we're going to layer it because we want this to be a really big princess dress. Let's do just one more layer. Swervy lines. Brilliant! Let's add some jewels on for a belt. Gorgeous. How about a bow in the middle? Yeah, we love a nice bow. Now we're going to add some flowers. Yes, what's your favourite flower? My favourite flowers are roses. I just love them. We can do different types of flowers on here if you want. Now, who do you think would like this flowery dress? Rapunzel? Well, no, because she's just in her tower. How about Cinderella? Yes, Cinderella. She is my favourite princess. How about you? Who's your favourite princess? I know she would just love these flowers. Let's colour it in with sparkly paint. Yes, we're going to do pink straps. And how about a yellow top half of the body? I'm not going to paint the flowers in yet because we can do those another colour later. Now we're going to go pink again. We love pink and princesses definitely have to have some pink on their dress, don't you think? Sparkly! Yeah, excellent. So I just love it when Cinderella is not a princess, but then fairy godmother comes along and makes her into a princess. It's brilliant. And she has a pumpkin for a carriage. Fantastic. But you want to be careful that the clock doesn't strike midnight because we don't want all these beautiful sparkly colours to fade away. So green gives a lovely contrast and some purple even better. You know what? Purple is my favourite colour and you can't get better than sparkly purple. Brilliant. What's your favourite colour? Me too. I like all of them. Now, how about some more yellow to match the top part? Yeah, our bottom layer of the dress to match the top. What a good idea. We're using a small brush so we don't paint the flowers by accident. And so I just love it when the prince gets that glass slipper and he puts it on Cinderella's shoe and it fits perfectly and he realises that she is the love of his life. The best fairy tale ever. Right, I think we're going to paint in our flowers. Red. Yes, red roses. Let's do every other flower. That way we can add even more colours onto our beautiful sparkly princess dress. Yeah, I love it. Yeah, let's paint the middle of the flowers differently. Yeah, blue, turquoise. I love how that stands out against the red and the pink and the yellow. Beautiful blue bow. We don't have to be all pink, you know, to be a princess. We can be rainbow coloured too. What's your favourite thing to draw? Maybe if we get some material we can try and make a princess dress like this. Wouldn't that be amazing? Do you like making things yourself? Me too. And I love drawing and painting. So what do you think? I think Cinderella is going to love her flowery princess dress.
Subscribe and watch more. Chiki Art.